next concept is regarding KenKen Puzzle. They asked this previously in TCS company as well. See, now companies are more into that gaming side. They are entering. This is also one type of game or puzzle we can call, and it's similar to that Sudoku. Okay, you have Sudoku game. This KenKen Puzzle is pretty much similar to Sudoku game, which you people will play. This is 3 by 3 matrix, right? 3 rows, 3 columns. If it is 3 by 3 matrix, we have to use numbers 1, 2, 3 only. The numbers allowed in 3 by 3 matrix is 1, 2, 3. If it is 4 by 4 matrix, 1, 2, 3, 4. And what is the rule in Sudoku game? In row wise, column wise, one element should come only one time. And 1, 2, 3 must be there one time in each row and each column. Right? Not in the same order, it can shuffle. And here the advantage in this KenKen puzzle is they are giving the clue. They are highlighting certain box area. They are giving some numbers. Right? So let us say here 3 is given, means this should be filled by 3 only. Only one box 3. That entire value should be 3. I can fill that as 3. Whereas above addition, you have to perform addition operation and these two values summation should be equal to 3. You have to perform what operation? Plus means addition. When you add this entire box, there are 2 boxes inside that grid, right? Highlighted portion is 2 boxes available. Adding that, you need to get 3. With 1, 2, 3, what is the value? You will get 3 adding 1 and 2. It can be 2 and 1 or 1 and 2. We have a dilemma there. It can be 1, 2 or 2, 1. 2 chances are there. Whereas next one, division, it should be 3. 2 numbers, dividing the result should be 3. Now, dividing 2 numbers 3 means it should be 3 and 1. 1 and 3, 3 and 1, that combination only. Already 3 here, I have to put 1. Here it should be 3. That box condition, is it satisfied? 3 and 1. Right? So, 2 things dividing, we have to get 3. Right? So, next this should be definitely what? Right side one should be 2. Because in that row, we need all the 3 elements, 1, 2, 3, all those things, right? Next, here what can be the possibility where next 3 should come? Can I say 3 here? 3 cannot come here. You see the last column. In last column, 3 should come one time. Here I cannot get 3 because 3 is already available. This should be 3. Now what should be this middle one? Middle one must be 1. Superb. It should be 1. Right? And in fact, you see that bottom right side one, subtracting 2 numbers, 1 is result required. 1 and 2, if we subtract, result will be 1. Difference is 1. Minus means you have to perform subtraction operation. For these 2 numbers, difference must be equal to 1. Right. Next, here it should be, what should be here? 2. You can see 2 and 3 difference, 1. See, don't think like, sir, 3 minus 2 is 1, not 2 minus 3, it's not like, there are 2 numbers. Applying a subtraction, it should result 1. Okay. Whereas now, I think left side, no problem. It should be 1, this should be 2. 1 and 2 addition, 3 satisfied. Now you check row wise, column wise, 1, 2, 3 only coming, right? So 1 occurred only one time, 2 occurred only one time. In fact, this is easy, it is giving certain clue. They are already giving certain conditions, that's add an advantage. If there is no condition, which one to fill, you have a doubt. But they are giving some condition. This is 3 by 3 matrix. We can go for 4 by 4, 5 by 5 as well. So far only addition, subtraction. They can involve multiplication also. They can involve multiplication as well. Are you understanding first of all this question? Right, so I'll just see the basic thing. We should fill each row and each column with 1, 2, 3. And 1 cannot occur, only one time it should occur. 1, 2, 3, it should occur only one time. Row wise or column wise, that's the basic rule. And here there is some mathematical operations added. You need to satisfy that mathematical operations as well. Now here only one, first I started with here as only one box, 3 given, so this must be 3. Done. Whereas next one, if you see here, dividing 2 numbers, 3 is result required. First number with second number or second number with first number, no problem. It should be 3 and 1 only, as is 3 by 3 matrix. Now, when I put 3 here means no, because in that row already 3 available, so I should put 1 here I should put 3 here. Is that clear? Now we have one more clarity. As 3 is already here, 3 and 1, this should be 2. As it is 3 and 1, this should be 2. I hope you have that clarity as well. Now 3 cannot come here. This should be 3. This should be, as 3 cannot come here, we should put 3 above. This should be 1. Then this is 2, this is 1. Now we can cross verify any block whether that operations are satisfied or not. Yeah, above right side 2 and 3 subtraction they say we'll get 1 only. So is it 2 minus 3 or 3 minus 2? It's a no issues, not a problem. Okay, difference should be 1. Right? Now this is very basic question. Are you clear? Next thing, sir, how they'll ask the question in exam? What they'll do in that empty boxes somewhere, they'll put A, B, and C. Find the sum of A, B, C. No, they don't ask all the boxes. Among these 9 boxes, some boxes they'll put X and Y, some boxes they'll put A, B, C. Find A plus B plus C, or find A plus B minus C. They'll ask questions like that. Right now, let's see about second question. Now multiplication involved. Solve this, everybody, try this. I'll give time, everyone solve this. What is the direct clue here? 2 in the bottom right side. 2. It's only one box. Value must be 2. Completed. Three more conditions are available. Adding 3 boxes, you need to get 7. What is the 6 into meaning? The 3 boxes multiplying should result to 6. Below 7 is adding 3 boxes, result should be 7. Can you tell me with 1, 2, 3, adding 3 numbers, 7, which is possible? Is this 3 by 3 matrix or 4 by 4? 3 by 3 values allowed? 1, 2, 3. Here 3 boxes summation should be 7. Which combination possible? 2, 2, 3. No, we can go for 3, 1, 3 also. 3, 1, 3. We cannot go for 2 because 2 is already there in this row. 2 is already in that row, problem will come. So 7 summation means it can be 3, 1, 3. 1, 3 in above, 1, 3 in below. I can put 3 here, 1 here, 3 here. Is it satisfied, sir? Why can't I put both? Sir, why can't you put 3 here? Same row, 2, 3 is not allowed. And this should be 2, this should be 1, this should be 2. Why here 2 and 1? No, first you just get the clarity. I hope you got to right side 2 clear. Now this 3 boxes summation 7 required. 7 possibility, there are 2 chances. 2, 2, 3 also 7. 1, 3, 3 also 7. Right. Sir, now why can't you go for 2, 2, 3? If I go for 2, 2, 3, 1, 2 above, 1, 2 below, 2 already there, I cannot take 2 again. 2 already in the last row available, I cannot go for 2, 2, 3 combination. I should go for 1, 3, 3 only. That too, 2, 3 is in the same row, not allowed. 1, 3 above and 1, then this is. Now it's easy, this is 3, okay, 2, 3, 1, and dividing two numbers, 2 requirement, this should be 1 and this should be 2, this is 3. Now you check that, okay, 3 numbers multiplying 6 occurred, everything satisfied. Arithmetical operations along with Sudoku logic. Row wise, one element should come only one time. 1, 2, 3, it should come in row, each row and each column, but only one time, exactly once. See the next question. See this. Now everyone try this. So the direct clue, top left must be 2. Okay, then here you need to play again 3 division required. It should be 3 1 or 1 3. But below 2 division, it should be 2 1 1 or 1 and 2. Below row 1 is already given. See, this should be 1 and 3. Play a smart game. Why it should be 1 and 3, sir? Why can't 3 and 1? If 1 is below, 2 division should be 2 and 1 involved. It can be 2 and 1 or 1 and 2. 1 is definitely there in the last row. So 1 cannot be in this place. So you need to play that smart game. You should think about the question. What's possible, what is not possible, all this. Then 2 numbers multiplying result should be 6. 2 numbers multiplying 6 means 3 and 2 or 2 and 3. 2 already there. So I should go for 3 and 2. This should be, this must be 1. Yeah, this is 2. This is 3. But don't expect in exam 3 by 3. They'll go for 4 by 4 and all. We start with the basic. We'll go for 4 by 4 as well. But try to understand what we are filling there. It's not simply 2 1 3 1 3 2. We are satisfying the conditions. Right. See the next question. Hope you understand this. Now 4 by 4 matrix. That is something people can learn. So what values are allowed? 1, 2, 3, 4. Allowed are 1, 2, 3, 4. Now give it right. If you look into this question, direct clue is 2 is already there. Now in that row, 1, 3 and 4 are possible in that row. Now if you see the bottom right side condition, what is there? Subtracting what you want to get? 2, right? So possible with 1 and 3 only. Here 1 or 3, 3 or 1, let it be okay. 1 or 3 or 3 or 1, then 4 will be taken here. Agreed? Bottom right will be 1, 3 or 3, 1. But I'll tell you it should be 3, 1 only. Sir, first I am writing 1 or 3, 3 or 1. Now I am fixing it must be 1, 3, 1. Why, sir? 7 means how we will get? 3 plus 4 or 4 plus 3. Now 3 already in that column, definitely fixed. In that column 3 already fixed. Now I cannot get 3 in the bottom right. So here 3 should be removed. It should be 3 and 1 only. First I taken that liberty. 1, 3 or 3, 1 I am in a dilemma. Right? But anyhow 1 and 3 are 3 and 1 occupying, 2 occupying, left should be 4. Then 7 means it should be 3, 4 or 4, 3. Then with that point, okay, then we as 3 is already confirmed. Whether above or below in that last column, 3 already confirmed. Now again 3 here is not possible. So 3 should be here and 1 should be here. That's what fixed. Okay. Next, go for top right. 2 numbers dividing, 2 required. It can be 4 to 2 1. 2 chances is there. Right, but already 4 is freezed in the right column. 1 cannot come, 4 cannot come here. It should be, okay, it can be here 4 2 or 1 2 also chance is there. 1 or 4, yeah, because 1 and 2 division will be 2. Second number, first number, it's not a problem. Again, I'm telling you, please keep in mind. Whether second number dividing by first number or first number dividing by second number, there is no problem with that. Two numbers, the division should reflect to 2. It can be 1 and 2 or it can be 4 and 2. Chance is there. Both are possible, right? Now, one thing, okay, adding 2 numbers, 3 required. How that is possible? Adding 1 and 2. Already 2 fixed. 2 is already fixed. This should be 1. It should be 2. As already 1 fixed, this should be 4 only. Guys, listen, as already 1 is fixed, this should be 4. First we'll take that liberty, then we'll fix the things. Now above 1 should be 3. Here it should be 3. Here it should be 3. Okay. Now what is the possibility? Product should be 12. 3 already taken. It should be 1, 4 or 4, 1. Yeah. 1, 4 or 4, 1 is the dilemma. But 1 and 4 already fixed here. This right side should be 3, right? Now here 1 and 4 is fixed. Product should be, yeah, this should be 3, 4. That's what one by one we are eliminating. Next, here 2 cannot come, 2 should be here. This should be 1. 2 cannot come here, 2 must be here, it should be 1. This is 4, this is 1. Now see the row wise, column wise, 1, 2, 3, 4 only occurred. And now we satisfy the condition. I am not doing at a time. So product of 3 numbers is 12. Let's 3, 4, 1, 1, 3, 4. It can be any order. Step by step, step by step. We are taking that liberty. It may be 3 or 4, 4 or 3. Later we are fixing. I'll repeat what is happening again. Okay, I'm just repeating the same scenario. You just see step by step. One thing everybody clear is below value is 2. Everyone clear with that one, right? One box value 2, fine. Now right side I am looking into the right side one. Subtracting two numbers, we have to get 2 as the result. Without already 2 is available. Now without 2 the possibility is 1 or 3. Now it can be 1 or 3, it can be 3 or 1. Like that I fixed. Then this left side should be 4. As 4, okay, 2, right side 1 or 3, 3 or 1, fine. The other number 4 will occupy here. That's done. Next one, here 7 means it should be 3 plus 4 or 4 plus 3. 3 plus 4 or 4 plus 3. Now, after that I came to know, yes, among those two slots, one will be 3. So 3 cannot come in the below. So then I arranged 3 is not possible here. So 3 should be here, 1 should be there. Then after that, the other element we fixed is top right side will be 2. Top will be 2. Next, I came to know here adding 2 numbers 3 required. Adding 2 numbers 3 required means it should be 1 2 or 2 1. Okay, 2 is already here, 2 cannot come. It should be 1 and 2 only. 1 and 2, right. Next, 2 numbers division we require 2. 1 cannot come, so only possibility 4. 4 divided by 2, 2 satisfied. This should be 3, right. Now, here 2 cannot come, 3 cannot come, 1 cannot come. What can be possible? 2 not possible, 3 not possible, 1 not possible means this should be 4. As 4 already occurred here, this right side cannot be 4, it should be 3. When this is 3, below will be 4. And here it should be 2, here it should be 1, here it should be 3. Now in fact you see 1 minus they mentioned, is it subtracting two numbers, 1 occurred or not? Right, so here also left side bottom 1 minus, taking 3 and 4 subtracting will get 1 only. You cross check those all conditions here. Addition, subtraction, division, that to 4 by 4 matrix. You have a look how things are going on. Let's see about the next question. Are you clear with this? We'll go for 5 by 5 matrix as well going forward. Are clear with this 4 by 4? Time limit, don't worry about it because they don't ask all boxes. Generally what they'll do among this, okay, 3 boxes or 2 boxes they'll put A and B. Okay, what is A plus B whole square? Find A minus B, find A plus B, find A into B. Like that they'll ask. Fill only with positive integers 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't fill with minus 1, minus 2. No, it should be 1, 2, 3, 4 only. Next question. This is again 4 by 4 matrix. Let me see how many of you can crack this. Values allowed are 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Everyone try this. Now, 2 numbers subtracting, we want to get 3. What's the possibility 2 numbers subtracting 3? It can be 1, 4 or 4, 1. 1, 4 or 4, 1. 1, 4 or 4, 1. Right. And 2 numbers division should be 2, means it can be 1, 2 or 4, 2 also possible. There are many possibilities for that. 12, 2 numbers multiplication 12 means 3 or 4, 4 or 3. Okay. Adding 2 numbers 7 required means, but I can go for 3 and 4 because already 1 and 4 is fixed in this. You can have a look, 1 and 4 is already fixed in that. One among that 4 will be definitely available. I cannot go for 4 here, it should be 3 and 4. Then this should be 2. This will be 2. It can be 2 3 or 2 1. Okay, it can be. That's what we have to cross check. Okay, 2 there. Fine. Then in this last one, two numbers division we require 2. It can be 1 or 1 and 2. Okay. 1 2 or 2 1 is a dilemma. So fine, we'll write it first with that benefit of doubt only. We'll sort it out at the end. We'll write it in a benefit of doubt. Then here two numbers subtraction should be 3. 1 and 4. Already 4 definitely come in the right side. Last column 4 definitely will come. So here 4, here it is 1. So last bottom should be 2. First I am writing benefit of doubt, 2 1 1 2 both. Then I am deciding, yeah, here it must be 1 because 4 already occurred in the column. Above one among this lot will be filled by 4. So 4 cannot come here, it should be 1, 4 and 1. Then once that is 1, I can put here as 2 and this should be 1. Right. Then this will be 3. This will be 3. Okay. Next, we have division. Two numbers division, we have to get 2 means it should be 1 2 because see, you people may claim so 4 already here, already 4 there. I cannot put 4 in those two slots. Please see the second column and third column already 4 available. Here I cannot fill 4 any of the place. Right, so 1 and 2. 2 ones are 1 right side already available. It should be 1 and 2 only. Next, this should be, this will be fixed to 2. This is fixed to 3. Okay. Now, yeah, which one? Now we have a problem 1 4, 3 4 there. So 1 is already freezed here. In 2 dividing two requirements here, 1 already freeze. This will be 4. When this is 4, this must be 3. This will be 4. This will be 1. We are writing all the possibilities. Then we are fixing one by one each again. So you see 4 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 2 3 4 1 3 4 1. Those who solve, fine, you can appreciate yourself. Remaining, you just check it out where things are going wrong. Write all the possibilities first, then think about the question. Okay, I'm also not deciding directly here it should be 3, here it should be 4. No. We're writing one by one possibility, then we're working on it. Why can't this, all those step by step. While practicing, we can reduce number of steps. Doing more and more practice, you people can do it in a different style, that's fine. But initially, this is what we are doing. KenKen Puzzle, so a lot of puzzles are available, we can generate. I'll give the portal also to practice. Where what they'll give, for every box, they'll give 1, 2, 3, 4. You need to click on one among that. When you click on any of the empty box, it will give 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to fill one among that as the for that box. Once you done correctly, it will say congratulations, you are done. If anything wrong, it won't go. Timer will be counted. 0 seconds. Every second will be counted. We'll show that later. Okay. Now see this sixth question where we have 4 rows, 4 columns only still. Solve this. Direct clue, one thing available here. 4 is directly available. What numbers are allowed here? 1, 2, 3. And 3 also available here. 2 direct clues are available. Now you can work on it. Right, so here, if you observe, 3 should come to the bottom right side one. Why 3 here? Dividing two numbers, 2 means it should be 2 1, 1 or 2. So definitely this right side should be 3. Next, here 2 numbers subtracting 3 means it should be 1 or 4, 4 or 1. So definitely this must be 2. This must be 2. Right. And now below you see you need summation should be 8. Already 3 is taken. So remaining should be 5 means 1 4 or 4 1 only. We require totally 8. 3 already done. We need 2 more slots 5. It should be 1 4 or 4 1. 2, 3, 2, 3 done. Here it should be 1 or 4. I hope we got the clarity. Next, 4 already there. Yes, it should be 1 then. Yeah, fine. That's what. Okay, good. Already 4 is there. Now we'll freeze it to 1 and no. First I'm writing the things, then we can eliminate. Good. As already 4 is there, it should be 1, 4, 3 will be 8. Yeah, 5 combination 3 and 2. Yeah, we can go for that chance also. We can go for 3, 2 also. Yes, agreed. It can be 3, 2 as well because 3 can come here, 2 here. That's one more possibility. Right. So next 2, 1, 1. Then above will be 1 and 4. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, all those will satisfy. As 2 already taken here, this will be 1. This will be 2. Next. We need 3 numbers product 24, already 2 done. It should be 3, 4. So 3 cannot come here, this should be 3, 3 cannot come here, this should be 4. This is 4, this is 1. Yes, 2 number summation 5 means it can be 1, 4 or 2, 3. Agree. Here this problem 1, 4 or 2, 3 is possible to get summation 5. If you want 5, 1 plus 4 or 2 plus 3. See the next one, once we are done with this, let's move to the next question. 4 by 4, 5 by 5, 6 by 6 also there. Done with this? Question number 7. 4 by 4 matrix, solve this. Understand the previous question. Now look into this next question. So in this question, one slot is fixed. That top right side is 4. Right. So now adding two numbers 4 requirements, it can be 1 3 or 3 1. Then definitely this will be 2. And here two numbers adding 7 means it should be 3 4 or 4 3. Okay. And here yes, two numbers dividing. I cannot go for 4. 4 already used, so it should be 2 1 or 1 2. Why can't 4 and 2 is 4 is used in 7, that adding two number 7, that 4 already used. So this right side should be 1 2 or 2 1. Next, okay, two numbers subtracting 3 required. It will be 1 or 4 or 4 or 1. And product of 3 numbers must be 12. Already 2 is there. Then what else is required? 6 required. So it should be again 3 and 2. 3 and 2 will come, right? So just observe. 3 numbers product 12 required. Already 1 is occupied by 2. Then remaining these 2 should be equal to 6. These two slots must be equal to 6. 6 means it should be 2 and 3 or 3 and 2. So 2 already there. This should be 3. This should be 2. You just observe. We should go for 3 2. When that is 3 and 2, this should be 1 and 4. As 1 is occupied, this should be 4. This must be 3. Right. So fine. Then above also 2 4. This should be 1. This should be 3. Right. So next, yeah, we have 3 2 and last one will be 4 1. Now you observe this, no need to check that rule. See 3 2, here 4, this must be 1. 3 cannot come, 2 cannot come, 4 cannot come, this must be 1. This will be 4. When that is 1, below should be 2. This should be 1 and 2 and this will be 2 and 3. This will be 2 and 3. You see the scenario? 2 1 3 4 3 2 4 1 1 4 2 3 4 3 1 2. All conditions satisfied. You have to start first. Yes, take all conditions. into consideration. I am not fixing any directly. I am writing 1 3 or 3 1. Then somewhere we'll get the clue. Then we'll go for what is the confirmation. Initially take things into consideration of what is possible. Then later we can fix. This is the only possible option. Now finally with one question 5 by 5. We'll stop this KenKen puzzle with this 5 by 5. Right, so the fixed slots are 5 here, 2 here, and here it is also 5. These slots are fixed. Okay. Then 120 product is required. So what numbers are allowed actually as this 5 by 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 is allowed. Right. Now, product of 4 numbers 120 means it's 2, 3, 4, and 5. Ignore about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 product will be equal to 120. So now 2 cannot come here. See this, my dear friend, this must be 2. This must be 2. Okay, here this can be 4 or 5. Yeah, maybe 5 cannot come in this place. So one among this lot will be taken by 5. Either this slot or this slot will be taken by 5. Then, well, yeah, 5 cannot come as this row already occupied. Good. So this will be 5. This must be 5. Now this can be 3 or 4. Either this will be 3 or 4 or this will be 4 or 3. Then 2, 3, 4, 5 product will be equal to 120. That's great. Next, subtract adding two numbers 3 required. Possible with only 1, 2 or it can be 2, 1. Subtracting two numbers 3 required. Not involving 5. We don't want to involve 5 because 5 already occurred. Now 2 numbers 3 means it should be 1, 4 or 4, 1. Right. So next, still what else can be a subtracting two numbers 4 required means possible to be subtracting two numbers 4. 1 and 5, right? Subtracting two numbers 4 required means it should be 1 and 5 only. Already 5 in this column. This should be 1. This should be 5. 1, 5. You see that. Now I'm just filling one by one all the slots. We'll map things soon. Right. Next, yeah, what is the other slot? This 10 dividing two numbers 2 required, or adding here 12. 3 number summation 12. We don't want 5 in that row. Okay, 12 means what's the possibility for 12? 3 plus 4 plus 5. Yes or no? 3 plus 4 plus 5. Now this must be 3. This must be 3. Yeah, 12 is possible with 3, 4, 5 only. Okay, as 4 and 5 cannot come, this should be 3. Now 5 cannot come here, this must be 5. This must be 4. 5, 4 you see below. Next, subtracting 2 required. Two numbers subtracting 2 required. We have chance 1, 3, 3, 1. Okay, we'll fix that. Yes, we'll fix it. 1, 3 or 3, 1 dilemma is there. Fine, let it be. We'll fix it. Two numbers subtracting, okay, 2 required. 2, 5, 4 we should not involve it. It should be 1 or 3 or 3 or 1 only. Then still there is one more slot to be fixed. 2 division. Two numbers dividing, 2 required. 1 is not occurred in that. In that row already 1 is fixed. This must be 2. This must be 1. 2, 1, 5, 4. Okay. Then 10 required adding 3 numbers. What's possibility? 2, 3, 5, right? 5 cannot come. 5 here also not possible. Here 5 not possible. So we need 3, 4, 3. 3 plus 4 plus 3, 10 only. So 3, 4, 3. So 1, 3 will be here. 3, 4, 3. 1, 3 must be here. Here 4 or 3. Here 3. Okay, this must be here. Sorry. This must be 4. This must be 3. 3, 4, 3 only because I don't want to involve 5. So you can see 5 is not allowed. So we can go for 3, 4, 3. Now because of the 3, now we got the liberty. So this is 4. This will be 3, right? And what else we have option? 4 cannot come here. This must be 4. Listen, here 4 is fixed. Here a problem. This will be 3. Okay, fine, 3. Cool. So now 3 cannot come here. 3 possible here are here. 2 possibilities. Then what else will eliminate? 4, 3. Okay. 2, 1, 5. 3, 5. 1 or 2, 2 or 1 among that you have fine. Two numbers subtracting 2 required, possible with 4 or so far all things are okay. Now we'll eliminate is fine, but last one, this one 3 1. 3 minus yes. Okay. So here we need to fix this slot, below slot. Yeah, this should be 1, this should be 3 because of that good. So this is 3, this is 1 because 3 is already fixed. This will be 2. When that is 2, this must be 1, this must be 2, and this will above will be 4. When above is 4, below will be 1. Right? So step by step, first we are writing all the possibilities, then step by step we are writing. 10 is 3 plus 4 plus 3 also. I agree 3. Okay, there is other combination 2, 3, 5 also 10. But 5 not allowed, 2 not allowed, that conditions are there. Then one by one, you cannot do at a time, so we are doing one by one, all conditions.